Hi Scorpio, this is your girl, the Pixie Goddess at the Pixie Goddess Tarot, and this reading is going to be for Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. It is a general reading, not a gender specific or a time specific reading. Energies are fluid, so take what resonates with you guys and leave what doesn't. And don't feel bad if it doesn't resonate with you. Go check out all the other signs that are present in your natal chart. Your Sun, Moon, and Rising signs. Scorpio. I'm going to be drawing out one card and then clarifying it with all the other cards. Queen of Pentacles. I think you are dealing with a Cancer person because Cancer got this card. Their main energies were the Queen of Pentacles. It shows empowerment, it shows rejuvenation, it shows financial abundance, prosperity, health, happiness, a soulmate relationship, and a wedding or an engagement. You could be attracting an earth sign individual, which is Taurus, Virgo, or Capricorn, or a Cancer person because Cancer got the same card. Or you could have Cancer in one of your placements, either in your Sun or your Moon or your Rising or Venus. You've got the Ace of Swords. Justice, you're going to be feeling rejuvenated. There is going to be some new start. I also see that somebody is offering you something new. It could be an air sign individual, Gemini, Aquarius, or Libra. But what I'm seeing here is that it's going to be a peace offering, an apology, or you are apologizing to somebody, Scorpio. You are extending an apology because it's from your side, okay? You could be dealing with somebody, you could be apologizing to a Cancer, or a Cancer person wants to apologize to you. Some kind of apology is on the horizon. You've got the Hierophant. So now I'm feeling that you were definitely dealing with a Cancer because they got the counterpart of the Hierophant, which is the High Priestess. And since you've got the Hierophant, for some of you, you guys were dealing with a Cancer person. Either you guys were in a relationship with them, or you liked them, they didn't like you back, or they liked you, you didn't like them back. But whatever it is, things are coming back a full circle for you, Scorpio. I see that both of you are going to come together. There could be another person which is an earth sign individual or an air sign individual, Gemini, Aquarius, or Libra, or Virgo, Taurus, or Capricorn. But there is a Cancer person involved here, and the Cancer person plays a major role over here. Number 5 is important. 15 is important. 25 is important for some of you. Some of you could be starting your spiritual journey and meeting your soulmate in that process. Okay. You've got the Temperance. Number 14, 5 again. Scorpio, what I'm seeing here is that you are trying really hard to maintain balance in your life. You want help, but somehow you just end up doing everything on your own and there's no help, there's no assistance. You're feeling bogged down. You're feeling as if things aren't working out in your favor. But trust me, things are coming back for you. I see that you guys are struggling with something, but balance will be restored. You could be attracting a Sagittarius person. Hmm. You've got the star card, number 17, which is 8, 1, or 7. Wish upon a star, guys. As I mentioned, air signs are important. Here is Aquarius for you. An Aquarius person is important. Your wishes are coming true. Balance is being restored. When you apologize to this person, they will accept it. The last card says Tower, which is number 16, 7 again. This is going to be a life-altering event. A good one, but life-altering nevertheless, Scorpio. Make sure you have your helmet on. Make sure that you are well protected. If you are exposing yourself to cold or heat, you could fall ill. So please try and be careful. But things have to crumble so that they can come back together and assemble themselves better than what they were earlier. This is a good reading. Let's see some extra messages for you. These are additional messages to your tarot. Perfect timing. Communicate clearly. I think it's talking about this apology since it came here. There's going to be a peaceful resolution, but you need to communicate very clearly. Don't leave any room for assumption, Scorpio. But the perfect timing is now. If you are extending an apology to somebody, do so. They're going to accept it. Don't worry about it. Wow. Diving deep into one's fears, diving deep and clearing out one's fears, taking baby steps towards your goals, taking baby steps towards your aspirations, your relationships, everything. Just take that step, dive within, and don't feel scared about things not turning out in your favor, because I see that everything is going to turn out in your favor. Sometimes we feel that it's going to be the end of the world if we go ahead and make a move, but it turns out to be nothing. So, this is that kind of a situation. Wow. Channeling your energies to uplift humanity. If you get a chance to serve anyone, help anyone, do so. It's going to help you in the long run, Scorpio. You must see things beyond your advantage, beyond your benefit. A fiery climax approaches. Look at the bigger picture. A personal issue reaches resolution with a Cancer person, because this is Cancer energies. And it's time to take action. Step out of your comfort zone. Yes, that is true. The signs that are present here are Aries, Sagittarius, Cancer. Aries is strongly present over here. Let's see an affirmation for you, Scorpio. I let the universe catch up with my dreams. I can decide today to recalibrate my energy and commit to love and joy. Scorpio, this was all for you. Thank you so much for giving me a chance to serve you. If you like this reading, please leave a like, share, comment, or subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.